Hello, beautiful people. This is me. I'm your host, and today I'm gonna be talking about, let me bring the tray in, French skincare products. So, if you're interested, please stay tuned and carry on. I'm sure you are familiar. A lot of French brands, they make products especially for sensitive dry skin, and they either have limited ingredients or they include either mineral or thermal water. In here I have couple brands, and you know what, those are the items which I'm always going back to. Even though, let's say, I finish it up, I'm gonna move on to something else, and a couple months down the road I'm gonna go back to the other items because I miss it and I like what it did for my skin. So I'm gonna start with the La Roche-Posay. That's their Toleriane Hydrating Gentle Cleanser. Soap-free, sulfate-free, fragrance-free, with ceramide and niacinamide. With niacinamide, has probiotic thermal water. It comes in a huge bottle. It's 400 ml, which is 13 ounce. And if I can compare this to something, it's like our CeraVe with ceramide and niacinamide. The texture is similar as this one, so it's very gentle. And you know what, once you remove it, your skin is not gonna be over dry and ready for the next step. I already used one of those bottles, and I think I have like 2 more in my backup stash. But yes, that's one of those items which you can not really go wrong with. Now, since I'm talking about the cleanser, I have here the micellar water from Vichy. They call it 3-in-1, which is 1-step cleansing micellar solution, cleansing water, soothing toner, eye makeup remover, sensitive skin and eyes, no parabens. I went through many of those small samples. I'm like, you know what, let me just go through this, and I do like it because it doesn't irritate my eyes. I have no issues with it. And even though it's supposed to be 3-in-1, I only use it to remove my eye makeup remover. There are days which, yes, maybe I'm lazy, I'm gonna put it all over, but otherwise, as an eye makeup remover, it's wonderful. And this bottle lasts you for a while because you have 6.7 ounce, which is 200 ml. Most of the time, depending where you buy, because yes, those items are available in the States. You can easily buy them in Walgreens, Kohl's, Target, but also they have their own web pages. And if you sign up for the emails or if you watch the weekly deals, guess what? There can be either on sale or they have like some kind of a coupons. So at the end, you don't really pay the full price. But let's move on with the rest of the items. Next item is the 89 from Vichy. It's kind of hard to see because of the lighting. You know what? What is this thing so I can show you better? Ooh, here we go. Yeah, so now you can see it a little bit better, and that's the box for it. Currently it comes in, I believe, 2 or 3 sizes. That's the 50 ml, which is 1.7 ounce bottle, and I would say some people, they call it a moisturizer. Let's say if you have oily skin. Anyway, let me just backtrack. If you look at the consistency, it's really jelly-like, but it's still hydrate. Some people, they call it a moisturizer, which is, I agree, especially during the summer where it's really hot, humidity, and let's say if you have oily skin, guess what, you don't want to put nothing heavy. So this one is perfect, but you still want to apply your sunblock afterwards. This product has thermal water and hyaluronic acid, and it's one of those things which is going to hydrate and plump because it has the thermal water. It has 50 minerals which are good for your skin, but the product itself, it has only 11 ingredients, so you can easily see it for yourself. So yes, it's very simple. So if you're sensitive, you know what, you cannot really go wrong with it. I'm gonna go back to La Roche-Posay from the same line, Toleriane, or Toleriane. We have their Double Repair Face Moisturizer. So that's their cream, which I have previously, but in a regular version. This one is with SPF 30, and that's the box for it. So similarly as with the cleanser, it has the ceramide and niacinamide, And if I can compare this to something, it's like the CeraVe. So if you cannot find this one but you see they grab it, or do vice versa. It comes with 2.5 ounce, which is 75 ml. And yes, I do like it. I think I already went through a couple of those, and I have a few backups as well. Now we're gonna move over to serums. The one and more affordable is the vitamin C from Vichy. This one comes with 15% vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. Yes, you're getting this small bottle, which is, I believe, let me just double check. It's 10 ml, 0.34 ounce. So that's the box for it. Yes, it's small, but guess what? Because it's small, you can easily travel with it, which is currently hard, but it's small, right? So you know you're gonna use it up. Technically this bottle should last you for a month. Because the bottle is small, it's gonna be easy for you to finish it up, and none of the product's gonna go into waste. Vitamin C, it's really good because it works with antioxidants and with pigmentation on our skin, and hyaluronic acid, it hydrates as well. So yes, this is a good combination as well. I went through, I would say, many of those, and I do enjoy it. Next one is my most expensive one. That's the Clarins Double Serum, which has over 20 natural plant extracts, which is supposed to help you with the fine lines, smoothness, hydration. When you use it, you don't really see the results. Anyway, it's one of those products which is kind of weird, because like, does it working or it's not? So when you use it, you're like, oh well, but when you stop it, you're like, something is missing. And you don't have the same texture, so it's like one of those questionable products. But when it's gone, you want to go back to using it. I'm like, because it's expensive, I'm not using it all the time, but I'm going in on and off. Besides the plant extract, it has lipids, so yes, those are the good ingredients for, like, let's say, age defining features. Here we go. And then the last item is the Cicaplast, yeah, great, Cicaplast Balm B5. Here we go. That's the Roche-Posay Cicaplast Balm B5. It has panthenol 5%, and it's a soothing balm. So for example, if you don't know what to put on your face, let's say if something like a regular moisturizer doesn't work and you need something, this is perfect. It's a thicker balm, but when you apply it on your face, it's not easy, it's not greasy at all, and yes, it does work with hydration. And for example, right now, because we wash our hands so often, you can even use it as a hand cream when you want to repair your skin or when you want to soothe it. This is perfect. Okay, so that was my short overview of the French beauty items. Let me know if you want me to do something similar, because I can easily do it Korean, Japanese, and like another skincare brands. Okay, I see you next time. Bye.